All right, so I am with a group of trikers today. We're going to go for a ride, and we're gathering in Timber Park in Estacada. And one of the surprises of this park today is there is a cruise in. Lots of old cars here. Looks like they're getting ready to do something too. Isn't this fun, seeing all these old cars? Beautiful Thunderbird. Really sweet old cars. And then we have trikers. Hey, Bev.
Hey, how are you?
Good. So we're all going to get ready to go on a trike ride here. And somebody else just arrived. Somebody strong. Somebody strong who can pick up their trike right off the rack. So, all right, yeah, let's go for a trike ride. Come on, Myrtle, let's go. Yay!
Well, Chuck sends his.
Yeah, we're gonna miss Chuck. But we've got a really good turnout here today.
Paul said he wrote his mask up. Look at how cute!
Have fun, you guys.
Have a nice ride, folks.
It's gonna be a very relaxed ride today. Bump, bump, bump. Tree roots in the path. A lot of old cars out here today. They're probably from the parking lot where we started. Starting there cruising. I think they're letting us go, so. We're turning off that busier road. Following the Clackamas River. Beautiful day out here. Beautiful day for a trike ride. So there's a big hydroelectric dam project here, and it's really interesting. It's really beautiful too. And so this is where we're going to take off from the highway. So this is the end of the road for the cars. So we're gonna sneak around this barricade and we'll be on the old Clackamas Highway Trail. So I am in Portland, visiting with friends. I've missed everybody so much, particularly riding together. And one of the things that brought me to Portland was the display for my electric assist. Some pieces of plastic had broken off and it wasn't fitting in the holder any longer. And so Recumbent PDX gave me a new display. You can see we're kind of moseying along here. And I'm hoping there's not too much glare. And you can actually see that I have a much smaller display now. I actually prefer this one. This is the one that was designed for my motor system, the Shimano Steps E8000. I actually think it looks kind of bomb-proof, so I shouldn't have any more problems with my display. So yeah, here we are along the river. People are out on pontoon boats. Just absolutely gorgeous day to be on a boat. And we're going through another gate. Got a couple people behind me. Here comes Kathy. Yeah, so this is a boat ramp parking. All right. Looks like we're regrouping here. Back on the highway.
Are we the last one?
I feel like there's somebody else back there. Where's Dave?
I should do a head count.
Is Dave?
1, 2, 3, 4,
Oh, he is. Okay.
7, 8, 9, 10,
Oh, we got a little bit of a downhill. Maybe we get some speed going. Gear up. A narrow shoulder, but plenty enough room for the trikes. And yeah, we should be getting some speed going. At 25, I run out of gear, so there's no point in pedaling. Just freewheeling down this hill. And now we got another view of the river. A lot of people out in boats. Yeah, see, this is one of the beauties of riding a trike, is I can use a camera while riding. All right, so this is our destination for the day, Promontory Park. There's some camping here, boat launch, store, bathrooms. Looks like I'm the only one at the end here, maybe. Wow, freshly paved parking lot. It's like smooth like a baby's butt. It's pretty busy here too. Gorgeous day, totally makes sense. Let's see what we got going. Go down to the boat launch. People with kayaks. Little boats. People are waiting too. Yeah, these people are waiting to get jet skis in the water. And the trikers, I think, are up here by the store. And we have trikers. Probably gonna stop here, get a bite to eat. Hi there.
That looks fun, right?
Yeah, it's a gorgeous day out here. Perfect day for a trike ride. All right, let's park it for a little bit. And here comes Ricky on her new HP. There's Dave, making sure we're all getting back on the route. Had a nice stop. Enjoyed everybody's company for a little bit. Got caught up. Some people got some food. So, all right, we're stopped here on the river. We're gonna walk down and get a closer look at the dam and the salmon ladders. So this is the hydroelectric project, and next to us here along the path is a very extensive salmon ladder, fish ladder, mostly for salmon. It's possibly the longest fish ladder in the world. It's over 2 miles long, and it allows the fish to go from the river up the ladders and then over the dam. I'm gonna get up on this little bridge here that's straddling the fish ladder. So here is the dam. A lot of water coming off of that dam. And the water is flowing down here, downstream. And pretty soon the salmon are going to be running, and they're going to be coming upstream. And when they get to this dam, they're going to get in the fish ladder and take the fish ladder up. And over here there's actually a hairpin turn, and they're going to continue up the ladder and go over here, keep going up the ladder to get over the dam. And this fish ladder is over 2 miles long. It's not salmon season, so there's no fish today, but it's a pretty amazing feat of engineering. We got Lonnie making sure that we take the turn and we don't get lost. Yeah, thank you, Lonnie. Everybody's regrouped down here on our way back to the ranger station.
Hi, lady.
Hey, how's everybody doing? All right, well, we've just had a fabulous ride out in Estacada to the dam and beyond to where the boat ramps are and the campground, and just a gorgeous day riding along the river. And had 11 bikers with us, one biker, 10 trikers, And the biker was the only one who didn't have electric assist. But it's just been just super fun. We're almost back. Kathy and I are gonna take this ride on back to the parking lot. Well, we had a little do a little adjusting here. People I'm riding with were not happy with how low my wires were hanging. And so Pat fashioned together 2 zip ties. One is an anchor point and then one around the seat to pull these battery wires up. So that should work a lot better. All right, so I've just had a fabulous ride with friends. Myrtle is safely and securely stowed in the back of the truck. I am heading back to Portland where I'm staying with a friend for a couple of more days. And before I return to Crescent City, I hope everybody is safe and healthy and able to get out and ride their trikes. And as always, thank you for watching.